name is Mike and you're listening to Living Off the Grid's YouTube channel. Beautiful day out here in my cabin woods, and today we're going to show you a lot of cool and interesting things. There's been a lot of interesting cool things we've seen in here in our woods this time of year when it's getting closer to spring. Owls, coyotes, but what we really want to show you today is the local birds we've been getting in our backyard feeders. Hope you enjoy this footage. Hello, my name is Mike and you're watching Living Off the Grid's YouTube channel. Behind me here we have a few hundred European starlings and some red-winged blackbirds that have migrated over to our area for the spring. This is only something you see very, very seldomly if you can catch them. I'm going to zoom in on a few of them. You can actually see how many there is in our woods here. We have some common grackles at our feeder. This is a bird that we just saw today actually here in Northeast Ohio. We have a flock of red-winged blackbirds in our feeder.